Hello, I'm Paloma Vinaches from Brazil, and this is Commerce for CS50w. So, the first requirement is to do at least these four models. So, here they are, the models. To show the functionality, I'm going to start registering. Yes, test, add test, and test. So, first, I'm going to create a listing, which is the second requirement. For example, Barbie house, which is a toy house, a bid of 100, and the category is going to be toys. And I'm not going to put any photo. Then I create, and here there is the third requirement. Here we can see the title, description, category, bids, and if we click to the photo, you can see that it's also automatically updated here in my listings. And if we go to the listing, we click it, we will see all the information about the listing, and we can imagine that it's another user. We can add to the watch list, and we will see it here in my watch list. If we go to the listing and we click again in the watch list, we will see that there is no more in this watch list. And now I'm talking about the fourth requirement. Then also we can do some biddings. For example, we go to here and we say, okay, now we are going to place a bid of 200, and we see that's already updated. And in my bids, we are going to see the new quantity. So here, it's bid by test. If we try to place a bid for lower than this, for example, 150, we will see that it's not possible. We can also add some comments. For example, it is a comment, and we comment, and then we can read all our comments here, the author and the comment. Then if we want to deactivate the listing, and if the listing is mine, only mine, then I can deactivate it with this button. So in my listings, it's going to appear as inactive. So if we go to the active listings, there is no more listing because it's inactive now. But if we go to my bids, and I already have placed a bid, I can click in there and see that me test is the one who won it because it's the last name that appears here. Finally, this is the categories requirement. Now to see the active categories, and it's inactive, I'm going to create a new listing. For example, pen to write 5, and the category is going to be home, and create. So we have here the listing, and if we go here and we go to home, we are going to see home, the listing of home. But if we go, for example, for toys, there is no active listing. We will see here that is nothing. So the last requirement is to go to the admin interface. So I came here and I'm going just to enter here, and we'll see the site administration. For example, the auction listings, we had the Barbie house that is already inactive, and we have the pen that is active. We have the bids that we place, the comments, and the users. So now, for example, if I want to delete this bid, I just click it here and delete and go. So yes, I'm sure there is no more bids. Well, we can delete anything, any here. Also, if we go here, we can delete this way. Yes, I'm sorry.